हेच अमुची प्रार्थनान, हेच अमुचे मागणी. हीच अमुची प्रार्थनान, हेच अमुचे मागणी. माणसाने माणसाशी माणसा समवागणे. धर्म जाती प्रांत भाषा द्वेष सारे संपू दे. एक निष्ठा एक आशा एक रंगी रंगू दे.
Good morning, all my dear kids. Hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome you all in our today's EVS class. Let's start our today's session. Today we will learn about our next lesson, that is our skeleton system. Okay. As we all know, we have a skeleton in our body. Do you know what is the skeleton? What is its use? What is its function? We will see today about all this. Okay. First of all, we will revise the things which we all already know. Our body is made up of organs and organ systems. We all know this. Okay. Our body has some internal organs and some external organs, just like this nose. It is an external organ. Why we say it as an external organ? Because we can see this organ with our eyes. It is external part of our body, so we can say it as an external organ. Now say this. Which is this organ? This is a liver. Okay. Can we say it as an external organ? No. Why? Because we can't see this organ with our eyes. This organ is present inside the body. So we can say it as an internal organ. Okay. This is our kidney. Is this an external organ? No. Why? Because this organ is also present inside the body. We can't see it with our eyes. So we can say it as an internal organ. Again, this is the internal organ of our body. Why? Because we can't see it with our eyes and this organ is present inside the body. So we can say it as an internal organ. Okay. Now this is our palm. Is this an internal organ? No. Why? Because we can see this organ with our eyes. It is an external part of our body. So we can say it as an external organ. It is very simple to recognize the internal organ and external organ of our body. How we can recognize? The organ which can be visible or which can be seen with our eyes and the organs which are present outside the body are known as external organs, and the organs which we can't see with our eyes and the organs which are present inside the body, those organs are known as internal organs. Okay. All these internal organs are safe inside this skeleton system, just like digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system. All these systems are safe inside this skeleton. This is the picture of our skeleton system. Okay, we will see about the skeleton. What is the skeleton? It is just a framework of bones in our body which is covered with flesh and skin. What is skeleton? It is just a framework of bones in our body which is covered with flesh and skin. Just imagine one thing, that if the skeleton is absent in our body, then how our body will look like? Just imagine. Is it look like just looking right now with a proper shape and size? No. It will just look like a piece of ball of a mask made up of muscles or flesh and skin, isn't it? Skeleton gives a proper shape and size to our body. Due to skeleton, our body seems in a proper shape. This is one of the function of our skeleton. The skeleton protects our all internal organs. All our internal organs are safe inside this skeleton system. For example, just see the top part of our skeleton system. Which is that part? It is a skull. Okay. It protects our brain. Means our brain is safe inside this skull. Can you see the ribs? It is also known as rib cage. Why? Because it looks like a cage. It protects our heart, lung, or we can say that it protects our respiratory system. Our digestive system is also safe in this skeleton. So protecting our internal organs is the function of our skeleton. Are you getting what I am trying to tell you? Skeleton is the most important part of our body. It is just like a framework of bone inside the body. It gives a proper shape and size to our body. It gives a support to our body. It protects our internal organs and keep them safe, right? Do you know how many bones are there in our body? In adult, 206 bones are there of different shapes and sizes. We can see that all bones are in different shapes and in different sizes. Okay, some bones are small, some bones are big, some bones are flat, some bones are round, right? So this is about a small information or small review of this lesson, a small introduction about this lesson. We will learn in deep and detail about each part of the skeleton in the next session. It is so simple to remember those points. Okay, let's revise and just take a retake of today's topic. Okay, are you ready? Today we have learned about the skeleton. Some main points are there which we have to remember. Our body is made up of organs and organ system. Our body has some internal and some external organs. The organs which can be seen with our eyes and which are present outside the body are known as external organs. The organs which cannot be seen with our eyes and which are present inside the body are known as internal organs. Now about the skeleton. Skeleton is nothing but the framework of bones in our body which is covered with flesh and skin, right? It gives shape and support to our body. It protects our internal organs, and in adults 206 bones are there which are of different shapes and sizes. Hope you all have understood today's topic.